how to add video in another layer in VN editor. All right guys, so once you've turned on your emulator, the emulator I'm using here is the BlueStacks. All you need to do is just click on your imported clip, or just open your edit menu by adding a video. So click on the plus here in blue. Once you've clicked on it, go ahead and select a clip you'd like to work on. All right, and once the edit timeline menu opens, where we have the option to add a sticker or a picture in picture, click on that option. And where we have photos, click on this, and then move over to videos, and all of your videos that have been added would be shown. Go ahead and click on a video here, and we have successfully added another video on top of the existing one. And that's it, guys.